So a couple months ago, after I dipped my car orange, you guys were like, you should leave the front plate off because it looks crappy with the front plate on. And if you know me, you know that I don't like to do anything that's against the law. I don't want to be harassed by cops all the time, and I can't really afford paying front plate ticket violations all the time. So one of you guys recommended, hey, maybe why don't you relocate it to like where the tow hitch is? And I was like, I don't know. But one of my buddies, Padula, SoCal204 on Instagram, I've been looking at his car a lot, and I really like the look of the relocated plate. So what did I do? I went out and I bought the kit and I installed it on my car. So this is the kit that I got on eBay. It's gloss black. I think it looks a lot better than the silver one. So you get the metal shaft that screws into your tow hitch area, the plate for your license plate, the screw and washer and Allen wrench to basically mount this plate to the shaft, and you get some screws for your license plate. I also went ahead and bought some carbon fiber looking plate frames just to clean up the look of my plate because it's a little beat up with all the rust. Okay, step one. All you do is push on the top and basically just yank it out. There. And then inside, I don't know if you can see, but there is a hole there. And we're gonna twist this on. Okay, so I did end up using some pliers just to tighten it up a little more so it's not going anywhere. Now we're gonna install the plate by putting in the screw and the washer and using the included Allen wrench to tighten it up. Well, there you have it, a relocated license plate. I think it looks good. Thanks, Padula.